Hi, I'm here with Arianna Rajabi from TI, and she is going to explain a gallium nitride motor drive to us that is head and shoulders above what the silicon version is. So Arianna, tell us a little bit about what we have behind us here.
Sure. So here we're showcasing industrial motor drives for factory automation and robotics. And on the left here, we have a traditional silicon-based motor drive design with IGBTs. And as you can see, there's very large heat sinks and power supplies, as well as lots of cabling. So normally this is all an external cabinetry that runs along the factory floor that would power a servo motor like this one you see here. And on the right, we're showing what GaN can enable, which is actually the integrated motor drives. So we have a much smaller power factor correction stage for the front end PFC, and the inverter actually is able to go right on top of the motor. So now you can eliminate all this external cabinetry.
Okay, and to be clear, it's an AC servo.
Yes, it's an
Three-phase.
AC servo motor, three-phase, yeah.
What's the power difference?
So these are actually the same power level because we
Yes.
wanted to do an apples to apples comparison. But actually, in a 6-axis motor cable, you can reduce 90 meters of the cabling in the system. So instead of having, for each motor, all the cables running externally, we can actually have cables going through the arm itself because you have the inverter now on the motor.
That's awesome. Now, is this
Yeah.
a real device or is it just a laboratory curiosity?
No, this is a real device. We released it online publicly last week. Part number is LMG3411R150. It's a 150 milliohm GaN FET inside of the device, along with the integrated gate driver, as well as overcurrent protection and over temperature protection, all in one.
Oh, that's very cool. Arianna, where would people go for more information if they're interested?
Sure, yeah. The device is online, datasheet is public, so ti.com/GaN would have all the information.
Well, that's an interesting development in motor drive technology, so thank you for telling us about that.
Yeah, absolutely. And actually, one of the great advantages about GaN in this application, not only is the power density, but it's also the efficiency is important to note as well. So we can actually operate in very high temperature applications like this one. Inside of the robotics, there's no fan, there's no cooling, and we can still maintain very high power and high efficiency.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.